back to my channel. It's your girlie Ann Anderson. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and support me and join the family. So in today's video, you can see that I'm looking crusty again and I need to up my game and look good again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a twin tail hairstyle on your 4C natural hair. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm removing off the wool that was on my hair. Now guys, just to give you some advice, you know, this lockdown was really getting to me, but I learned to just do things that I love, to just keep my mind off things. So I would advise y'all just to, you know, keep yourselves busy. Like, I love to do my hair and makeup because that's what makes me feel confident and feel good. So I decided to do my hair today. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm taking my comb and I'm going to start measuring from my nose and going upwards because I really want to section my hair right down in the middle. I really want to part it down into two parts and make it look equal. So that is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to use my hands and I'm just gonna part my hair down as well with my hands just going back. And I'm also just going to pat my hair down just to make sure and see if my hair is really down in the middle. And if I'm not satisfied, I'm going to use my comb and I'm just going to keep moving hair to one side, one section, making sure that I really part my hair really down, right in the middle. And I'm just bringing in my mirror a bit closer so I can just make sure and see that I really parted my hair down. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to use this Expert Care spray. It helps to strengthen and really nourish your hair, and it helps with damaged hair and really moisturizes. So I'm mostly putting it on my scalp, on the middle part, so that I don't really come out dandruff when I tie my hair up. Once that's done, I'm going to tie the left section of my hair so that I can work with the right section first. I really want to work in sections so that I can properly moisturize my hair and make it really look very healthy. Now, as you can see, I'm just making sure that everything really looks even and equal. Now, I'm just taking that Expert Care spray and I'm just going to spray my hair, and then I'm going to apply this Easy Waves coconut hair food. I'm going to apply it, and I'm mostly concentrating on the ends of my hair because that is the old hair and that hair really gets dry and it really needs to be moisturized. So I'm applying it there, and once I'm done applying that, I'm going to spray the Oil Sheen Comb Out Conditioner by Easy Waves. And I love this product so much because it really helps to make your hair it helps your hair to easily get combed. Like, it helps your hair, you know, it helps to detangle your hair and makes it easier to comb through it. So now I'm taking this big comb and I'm going to comb my hair and make sure that I properly detangle my hair. Now I'm really taking my time and really combing my hair up because I really want to make sure my hair is really detangled. And guys, look at the length of this hair. Like, I am impressed, and the volume is amazing. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm really impressed, and I really hope my hair really grows longer because I had very long natural hair, and I'm hoping that my natural hair really grows big again like that. Now I'm just taking my hands and I'm really trying to flatten and tighten up my hair, and I'm going to use wool to tightly tie my hair because I don't have enough gel. If I had gel, I would really just use gel to make it look a little bit more sleek and tidy it up. But instead, I decided to tighten up my hair and really tie it up so that it looks sleek and looks like almost I did apply gel, but just to make it look really neat. Now I'm just tying the wool around and making sure that I tie it very tightly. Once that is done, I'm now going to start working with the left section of my hair, and I'm going to do the same procedure. I'm going to spray this Kair spray just to help moisturize my hair, and it helps also with damaged hair or dry hair, just applying that. And I'm going to apply the Easy Waves hair food, and then I'm going to apply the Easy Waves comb out oil sheen conditioner, and then I'm going to take my big comb and I'm going to comb my hair and detangle it. Like I said before, I'm mostly concentrating on the ends of my hair because the ends are the old hair and they really need attention, because that is the old hair and they really that's where it really needs to be moisturized, because that hair is the one that really gets dry very quickly. Again, I'm really taking my time and combing my hair because you really need to detangle your hair, because this hair, when it's tangled up, it is so annoying to comb. So I'm just really detangling it. And guys, again, look at that volume. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I don't know if you saw in the previous video how much hair my mom has. Like, my mom has so much hair and she has long hair. Like, if she decides to relax her hair, that hair is going to be extremely long. And I hope that my hair gets to that extent because she has so much hair. Now I'm doing the procedure again where I said I'm going to put some wool on my hair to make it really look tight, and I'm trying to also make sure that they look even. You don't want everything to look weird and uneven. Once that is done, I'm just patting my hair and making sure that they look even and just patting them. But guys, look at this. I really look like a little Minnie Mouse. I'm really impressed with my work. But now that it's done, I'm going to take this dark freeze gel, and it's almost finished and I'm so disappointed. I need to get more gel. So I'm going to use the leftover gel. It's quite enough for me to use. I'm going to use it to do my edges, and I'm going to do the swoop style where you swoop it up. So I'm just going to do 4 swoops on my hair, and that's what I'm going to do. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm just applying the gel first before I take the toothbrush and do the swoops. I find it easier than applying it on the toothbrush, because when you apply it on the toothbrush, it goes so much on one place. But I like applying the gel first, because when you apply the gel first, it's easier to just take your brush and just swoop it up with the gel and let it dry up. So that is what I'm going to do. Now I'm taking my toothbrush and I'm doing the swoops, and I'm going to really try and do it and make them look equal and even on both sides. So I'm just going to do 4 swoops on my hair, and this is my first swoop and I'm loving it. Yep. And then I'm going to do the next one, and then I'll do the other 2. And now I'm doing the other side, and I'm trying to make them look really even. Yep. And then I'm also using my finger just to flatten it up. So I'm going to do the swoop, and then I flatten my hair down. And this is the final look, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and support me for more of my content. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye.